Hello, bright stars! Let's learn about shapes as we open these surprise eggs. This shape is a hexagon. Some things that are shaped like a hexagon is a honeycomb and the sections of a soccer ball. Hexagon. This shape is called a triangle. Some things that are shaped like a triangle is a slice of pizza and sandwiches. Triangle. This shape is called a diamond. Some things that are shaped like a diamond are a kite and road signs. Diamond. This shape is called a square. Some things that are shaped like a square are a box, a slice of bread, and the tiles on the floor. Square. The name of this shape is a circle. Some things that are shaped like a circle are a clock, a cookie, and a wheel. Circle. This shape is called an arrow. You might see arrows on the road or in a shopping center. Arrows tell you which direction you need to go. Arrow. The name of this shape is a star. Some things that are shaped like a star are a starfish and star fruit. Star. This shape is called a heart. Some things that can be in the shape of a heart are leaves and candies. Heart. This shape is called a cross. Some things that may be in the shape of a cross is a plus sign. You may also see a cross or a plus sign on a hospital building. A cross. This shape is a trapezoid. Something that may be in the shape of a trapezoid is a handbag. Trapezoid. Thank you for learning your shapes with me today. I hope you had fun. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more fun learning videos. See you next time. Bye bye.